Hello, welcome back to Capsim Capstone 2023, round 7. This video gives explanation for decision of round 7 step by step. So we are having the top sale and profit after 6 rounds. So for round 7 IND, as you see on the screen, we just keep update the product, increase performance and reduce size for all the 8 products. 8 products are selling very well, so just keep update the product to meet customer demand better. To maintain the top sale and profit, we increase the size, performance and reduce size of each round. Meantime, before filler, we keep the same. And now for the screen, for the marketing screen, we reduce the price by 50 cents each round to maintain the product competitiveness and sell better. So we reduce price by 50 cents for all the 8 products. And now we calculate the sale forecast. We calculate the sale forecast based on the last round sold unit. So we open the courier report and check the courier report you see on the screen, and check the number of units we sold last round, and also check the inventory in the third and the fourth column. And we can use Excel file to calculate the sale forecast and also calculate the production. This is advanced marketing screen. It may be different from your game a little bit. So if you see this screen, you just use maximum number for print and media marketing. And if you have simple marketing screen, you just use 1400 for promotion and 2000 for sales. So yeah, for promotion and sales, you have two options for different marketing strategies. Again, for advanced marketing, we can use maximum number allowed for each media. And this is production screen. For production screen, we have used Excel file to calculate in the marketing forecast, and then now you can use marketing Excel again to calculate the sale for my production plan by using the sale forecast and deduct the inventory on hand. You can see on the screen. And remember to update automation if you haven't updated in previous round for high-end performance and size to 6, and traditional to 8, and low-end we have updated to 10 already. And check the production capacity to increase the production capacity for needed product. For example, you see for low-end and for low-end in this screen, and for performance high-end in this screen, right? To maintain 150% the production capacity is the most effective. And this is HR human resource screen. We use 5080 hours. If you see labor negotiation screen, you can use maximum labor demand to meet the requirements of labor and avoid any kind of demonstration or strikes. So yeah, you can use average, or you can use as close as the labor demand is okay. This is round 7, so we can check the cash in hand we have, and also we can retire the stock to increase the earning per share, and also we can pay some dividends, for example $1 and $2. We will pay more in next round. And retire long-term debt, so we don't do that this round. We can do that in the next round, round 8. Account receivable we maintain 46 days. And we move to total quality management screen. Total quality management screen, we have 10 TQM initiatives, so we applied 1000 for all the 10 TQM initiatives to increase quality and reduce costs. And that is an overview of all the marketing decision for round 7. We can check we have for about 400 million for sales and 60 million for net profit. That's the top result. We can also check the career report. To see we have top results, top sale, top profit, and also the highest and increasing stock price. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.